In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo and change the color of the Jira navigation. Customizing Jira's user interface can really help in creating a cohesive look that matches your organization's brand. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to make these changes effortlessly. First, you'll want to start by looking to the top right corner of your Jira dashboard. Here you'll see the gear icon, which is your gateway to the settings. Give that a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled System. This will take you to the System Administration area of Jira, where various settings can be adjusted. Once you're in the System section, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. You'll see several options listed here, but what we're interested in today is the User Interface option. Select User Interface, and you'll find yourself one step closer to customizing the appearance of your Jira instance. Next, choose Look and Feel from the list presented. This is where you can start to unfold the magic of customization. Here you'll see a section specifically dedicated to handling your logo. Specifically, it'll be labeled as the Logo section. This is where you're going to make the first visual alteration to Jira. Now it's time to upload your logo. Make sure that the logo file you're planning to upload is prepared and meets any size recommendations or restrictions that Jira might have for best results. Upload the image file right into this section. Once your file is uploaded, your organization's logo should start appearing in various parts of the Jira interface, providing that personalized touch you're looking for. With the logo in place, let's move on to freshening up the navigation colors. Scroll further and you'll discover the navigation colors section. Within this section, you can modify the colors of various navigation elements like the background or highlights. Click on the specific navigation element you wish to modify. Perhaps you want to choose a new color for the background, or maybe you have a specific highlight color in mind. Regardless of your choice, you can now use the color picker to find just the right shade, or if you have a specific color in mind, enter the hex code directly. After selecting the desired colors, it's essential to remember to save your changes. Look for the Update button. Clicking this ensures all your hard work customizing the logo and colors is saved, applying the new look and feel to your Jira interface. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully personalized your Jira workspace to better reflect your brand's identity. Don't forget to review your changes and make any necessary adjustments for perfection. Thanks for tuning in to this simple yet impactful customization tutorial. Enjoy your fresh, updated Jira experience.